In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel digital orders on Amazon. It's important to note upfront that not all digital orders are eligible for cancellation or a refund. Whether or not you can get a refund will depend on the specific item and Amazon's digital refund policies. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to go to your orders on Amazon. Start by logging into your Amazon account. Once logged in, head to the top right menu where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse pointer over that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to click on your orders. This will take you to a page listing all your Amazon orders where you can locate the specific digital order you want to cancel. Once you're on the Your Orders page, you'll need to locate the particular digital order. To do this, scroll down to the Digital Orders section. This is where you will find all your digital purchases like Kindle books, digital videos, apps, or even subscriptions. Identify the order in question. The next step is to check whether your digital order is eligible for cancellation or a refund. Look closely at the options available next to your order. If your digital order is eligible, you'll see an option for cancel order or return for refund. If you see either of these options, click on it and Amazon will guide you through a series of prompts to complete the process. It's important to pay attention to these prompts to make sure everything is handled correctly. After you've followed the prompts, Amazon will confirm whether your cancellation was successful. If everything went smoothly, you should receive a confirmation message. However, if you are canceling a subscription, such as an Audible or Prime Video channel, you'll be redirected to the Manage Subscriptions page. This is where you can cancel your subscription. Remember, subscription cancellations might not take effect immediately and may remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. To wrap this up, let's go over a few quick tips. Kindle ebooks are generally refundable within 7 days of purchase, so check that time frame before trying to cancel. For apps and games bought through the Amazon App Store, the refund eligibility often depends on the exact terms set by the developer or publisher. When it comes to Amazon Video, keep in mind that refunds are usually only granted if you haven't started watching the video. Lastly, although you can cancel subscriptions at any time, be aware that some subscriptions may remain active until the billing cycle ends. By keeping these pointers in mind and carefully following the steps outlined today, you should be able to manage your digital orders on Amazon more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.